Hey guys, it's Adrienne, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate a capture page with the GetResponse Autoresponder. And if you find this video useful, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get into it. After you're logged into GetResponse, you're going to come up here and click on the Tools icon and scroll all the way down to where it says Integrations and API. Then click API and click the button that says Generate API Key. Then you're going to give it a name and click the Generate button. Now, when you're ready to use it on whatever platform you want to connect it to, you're going to click this Copy button and then paste it into your software. The platform I'm going to connect to is called the HBA Funnel Builder, and it's only $25 a month and offers a ton of value. So I'm going to go into my affiliate zone, click HBA Funnel Builder, and click the green button to open the tool. Now the training back here is going to tell you everything you could ever want to know about building out your funnels, like how to integrate your autoresponder, and also how to create URL redirects, tracking, membership sites, Zapier integration, and the list goes on. Now, other platforms don't give you anywhere near what's inside this system, but today we're only concerned with connecting to GetResponse. So when you get inside the funnel builder, you're going to click the gear icon, then click Applications, and click the Add Application button. And this is where you're going to see other platforms you can connect with. So what you would do is just choose one of the applications and click the Connect button and paste in the API key that you copied from GetResponse, and then click Save and Verify. And that's it. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment below. I hope this video has been informative for you, and thank you for watching.